Centrino is a research project focused on historical industrial sites across 9 European cities. Centrino will transform them into sustainable and inclusive hubs for its residents by bringing urban regeneration solutions and innovative strategies.